Welcome back to Caribbean Explorers. The crew has had a fantastic time here in Bimini. Now it's time for the awards dinner and our trip home. This segment's been brought to you by Bahamas.com and the Bahamas Ministry of Tourism, Legend Lures and Captain Roddy Hayes, LegendLures.com, and Art by Oz, carved artwork by Captain Ozzie Gonzalez. At the awards dinner, we had a fantastic meal, met some great people, and found out just how far down the ladder we were.
They ended up coming in, well actually that was the top boat. I'll give you the top boat first, the men's overall. The top boat came in with a 34-pound dolphin, and also the only white line in the event, Rich Galizia and the crew of the rock boat. Yeah.
Compared to the ride over, the ride home was a breeze. Light winds, calm seas, and it gave us the chance to look for dolphins all the way back to Isla Mirage. As we left Bimini, we dropped the outrigger, put out the spread, and began trolling home. And just when you least expect it, like when you're fixing lunch for the crew,
oh, you gonna go ahead and bring him in?
Yeah. Nice job, Chase, man.
Very good job.
Our 10-year-old angler, Chase, was having a ball, keeping the one fish close to the boat so the school would follow, and pitching chunks out to catch them. And just when you think you're all alone on the open ocean, you get a visit from an airplane on its way to the Bahamas.
Look at that.
Here you can see if you keep one fish hooked and keep him behind the boat, the entire school is just behind that fish. So when you hook up a dolphin, don't bring him in the boat until you make sure there's no other dolphin with him.
There's a lot bigger ones there.
Hey.
What?
Something broken off.
Hey, that's only like a 10-pound line, 15-pound line. Get him in the boat. Weigh in.
Throw a chunk out, Chase.
And now to make our dock before dark, we have to pull the lines up and get underway. Right on schedule, we reached the canal at high tide and docked just before dark. It's been a really great trip. We met some really nice people, and we'll be back next year. Our cast and crew want to thank you for watching this episode of Caribbean Explorers, and until next time, live the adventure. This segment's been brought to you by Bahamas.com and the Bahamas Ministry of Tourism, Legend Lures and Captain Roddy Hayes, LegendLures.com, and Art by Oz, carved artwork by Captain Ozzie Gonzalez.